Hi, welcome back to the channel, back to another video. In this episode we'll be buttoning up the Aston Martin DB9 that was in for a repaint. So we'll be going through the colour sanding, the buffing up and the final refit. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you think someone else might, please share it. In next week's video we'll be doing the first part of an out of hours restoration on a Series 3 Land Rover that my wife and I we've been looking for one for quite some time now, looked at dozens and then settled on this one. Really honest car. It's got, you know, it's got certainly obvious signs of corrosion on it, cracked chassis. So it's having a new chassis. It will most likely have a bulkhead. We'll start from there and then work our way up. Most of the panels are fairly good. It'll want the usual door tops and that kind of stuff, but it should be awesome. But it'll be an out of hours restoration, so it'll be evenings and weekends, and something for the wife to come down and help with, for the kids to, you know, have their little bit of input as well. So it's one that it's not for resale, it's not a client's car, it's for us, it's a keeper. So if you like Land Rovers, there's plenty of us that do, stick around, give it a thumbs up. Next time.